Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. I am making mixed table stir fry today. It is an easy and delicious recipe. You can make sandwiches of it. Your kids will love it, inshallah. To make it, I am using 600 grams of cabbage, which is half of cabbage head. I wash, then make thin slices of it like this. And I have one small onion, potatoes 2 medium size, cut in cubes like this. Green peas half cup, carrot 1, make small pieces of it. Oil 1/4 cup, salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, cayenne pepper half teaspoon. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a cooking pan, add cabbage, onion, potatoes, carrot, green peas, and oil. After adding oil, turn on the flame. Now add turmeric, red chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, and cayenne pepper. Mix them and cook them for 45 minutes on low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It was cooking for 45 minutes on low flame and everything becomes soft. Alhamdulillah. I can check the potatoes like this. Now keep the flame high and cook it for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon garam masala in it. Mix it and serve it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. So yummy and time-saving recipe of mixed vegetable is ready. Give me a comment. I love to hear from you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart. Also follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.